Should I buy or sell BOIL? The report for BOIL was first published on our website Monday, March 6, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since March 6, 2023, our system ranks BOIL as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -7.640. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for BOIL, our last headline reads, "Volatile ride for BOIL ETF price on Monday moving between $5.64 and $6.27. The BOIL ETF price fell by -23.03% on the last day, Monday, March 6, 2023, from $7.86 to $6.05. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 11.17% from a day low at $5.64 to a day high of $6.27. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 18.16% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 22 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 99 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $600.47 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $140.50, and the lowest price was $4.34. Right now the price is 95.69%, or $134.45, below 52-week high, and 99.18%, or $730.75, below all-time high November 14, 2018, where the price hit $736.80. The ETF lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $7.35 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -80.33% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -100% and -76.10%. The 12-month trend indicates a -53.47% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -100% and 445%. This equals a price between $0 and $32.97 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for BOIL. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The BOIL ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $6.69 and $7.21. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, March 3, 2023, and so far it has fallen -23.03%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the ETF should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 288 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see Short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 120 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 118 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for BOIL. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.47 and $5.12. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, BOIL finds support just below today's level at $5.47. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.12 and $4.86. This ETF may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the ETF moved $0.630 between high and low, or 11.17%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 12.41%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, BOIL meets first resistance at $6.28. If you do not hold BOIL shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, BOIL finds first level of support at $5.47, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is BOIL ETF a buy? BOIL holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 7th, we expect BOIL to open down $0.0633 and start trading at $5.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember